give our YouTube just a couple of box breaks. First up, we've got the Xigmatek Boulder, and then we've got the Thermaltake Element G. I'll pause these and I'll unbox them. So in the box we've got cooler, 3 8mm heat pipes, doesn't seem to be focusing very well, but nice HDT on the bottom as well, very shiny. And I said 8mm Trent. Also you got the mounting screws, backplate, installation manual, and a 120mm LED fan. Whee! And that's about it. I'll show it installed later on. Well, here's the Thermaltake Element G out of the box. It comes nicely in a fabric cover with Thermaltake written down the side. We'll get rid of this and show you the case properly. Here's the case outside of its fabric thing. It actually looks quite nice. Got old Trenty there taking the side panel off.
Side panel fan.
Side panel fan, nice big boy. Inside the case is the nice black. Seems like it comes with a lot of accessories. Trent straightened open everything up. This is actually his case and cooler. So. Side mounted hard drives, which is always good. 3 5¼ inch bays looks like. Tiny little hole on the motherboard cut out. I don't know why anyone would only put two 60mm fans at the back. That's a bit stupid, but alright, we'll unpackage all the things that came with it and I'll show you that. Inside this box that comes inside the case, you get an assortment of screws, zip ties, 5¼ to 3½ inch adapter, a couple of, just standard stuff. Then what do you got there, Trent?
Two 20mm bracket, so you can switch the front 200mm to two 120s.
Nice little idea. Also nice to see a power supply retention mechanism. We'll show you more when the computer's actually inside. See you later. So, we're currently ripping everything out of Trent's old computer. There's his old V9 case. Piece of crap.
It is. Never buy a V9, even a black.
Thought I'd show you the inside of this, cable management and everything. Alright, we're back soon. Trent's ASRock P55 Extreme motherboard. These two 4770s, hard drives, ISOPRO, and other things. Trent cleaned off his old cooler. Back shortly. After some stuffing around with the backplate, we finally got the boulder installed. It looks nice, very easy mounting system with the screws and the springs. Just the backplate's a bit, hard to understand with the stupid holes. But throw the fan on and put it in the case. So the build's complete. The boulder is installed nicely into the case. Everything's all hooked up. Trent's got an i5 750, an ASRock P55 Extreme board, two 4770s in crossfire, OCZ 600W power supply, 2 hard drives, CD-ROM, 4 gig of G-Skill Ripjaw RAM, 1333 megahertz. Looks very nice. Cable management's quite good. I'll show you it all running up in a minute. Cheers. All up and running. Xigmatek looks pretty cool. Trent's opted to use red lights. Changing it like a dickhead. That looks crap.
I didn't do that. There must be 2 modes.
Yeah.
2 modes of multi. Then you're off, blue, green or gold, red.
I think red looks the best.
Yeah, I agree.
It's pretty tidy in there. It should be good. Say bye, Trent.
Alright.
See you later.